Hey guys, Tyler from Tapmaster here again. I just wanted to introduce you guys to our Euro foot activators. These are our most discreet, smallest, sleekest designed foot activators. And they do have the unique feature of being able to run continuously, completely hands-free. That means you can turn the water on, leave it running if you want to fill the sink, fill a pot, what have you. All hands-free, you never have to touch your faucet in order to do that. So I'm just going to go over it. It's very simple. The little probe here is made out of a soft TPU. It's a very, well, not very flexible, but it's a quite flexible, soft gray plastic. And to activate it, you just tap it in any direction, which is really nice. It's a nice, gentle touch. Doesn't matter which direction you push it in, the water will activate momentarily. If you do want to leave the water running, which again, one of the coolest features of this activator, you just swipe your foot underneath the activator. Swipe your foot underneath the activator, locks into the on position, it continually runs, just tap it back and the water stops running. It doesn't matter which direction you do that, either left or right. Easy as that. Again, I'm using shoes here because it seems weird to do it in socks, but I use these things in my socks and my bare feet every day, morning, noon, and night, and they're very comfortable on the foot. They don't require very much activation pressure at all. Again, it's one of my favorites because, you know, like anyone in my home, I do like to leave the water running, especially when I'm trying to clean things or, you know, fill a large container. Again, thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit like. Leave a comment in the comment section down below. And we're new to this YouTube thing. We've had a YouTube channel for a while, but we're new to this continual content thing. So if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to contact us at info@tapmaster.ca or visit our website at www.tapmaster.ca. Thanks so much.